think about the city without any buildings. I'm an architect. An architect designs buildings. I talk to people, find out what they need, why they want a building, where it is, what kind of place it's in, and then go back to my office and figure out what's the best way to put a building in that place. Penn Station was built just about the turn of the century, and it's one of the biggest train stations in the world. You come in and you're standing underneath this big glass tower. Then you take an escalator down, down, down to the train tracks. If you're coming to work from New Jersey, Washington, and Philadelphia, you get off the train in Penn Station. So for all the commuters, hundreds of thousands of them, Penn Station is the entrance to New York. So our job was to make one brand new entrance on a tiny little site just for people going to Penn Station. In the distance is the Empire State Building, and our site was only 40 feet wide and 50 feet long, and we had to get 100,000 people through this tiny little place, and we had to find a way of letting them know where the front door was. Okay, here we go. We just kept drawing the site over and over again. We start with the Empire State Building. Then there are all these other buildings on the street. We draw one, look at it, draw another one. And when we saw this big, simple shape, that gave us an idea. So then we made another shape. We said, what if the whole building was just one big triangle? But it just didn't do it. So we said, all right, let's try a square one. And that's better. And then we said, not tall enough. And now this time, if we put the mast on it, it's almost as high as that mast. Canopy, so people don't get wet. And we hang the canopy. So that's how we got to our final design. There's the beacon with a light on top. There's our sheer glass wall and a glass canopy. The whole idea of it is that at night it glows, so you can see it from very far away. Seeing a drawing come to life and become a real building, that's fantastic.